Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're dialing in from. My name is Aditya Bhamadipati. I'm the founder CEO of Hive. Hive is a customer data platform. We're a California headquartered company, and I want to thank DIFC, FinTech Hive for this opportunity to present here. Um, Hive is a customer data platform that works with large consumer marketing enterprises to help these enterprises take control of their consumer data, their marketing ROI, and their customer experience delivery. Most large consumer marketing enterprises have had to deal with some very typical challenges, such as large number of consumer channels on which they have interactions coming through. They have expectations of consumers to deliver seamless customer experience. They have low marketing ROIs when it comes to a lot of their campaigns, and a lot of the data that they collect does not necessarily talk to each other in real time, which means their ability to deliver a consistent customer experience is somewhat muted. And that's really where Hive comes in. Hive has had the privilege of delivering some incredible successes across large financial service companies. One of the large Indian financial services companies saw over $100 million of new business being acquired. One of Asia's largest private sector banks saw over $1 billion worth of new mortgages being driven through Hive. We've also had one of the largest global asset management companies acquire more than 3 times their customer data that they had before. And that ensured that they're able to deliver much more relevant, sharper, personalized communication to their customers. Today, Hive works across 2 different industry segments. There's financial services, and there is retail, telecom, manufacturing verticals. And these are the 2 sectors that we've focused on in our growth. Hive has had the privilege of being a much recognized player in this space. CDPI Institute lists Hive as one of the, in its new data wave published in 2019, lists Hive as one of the top 5 players in the customer data platform space, apart from a host of other recognitions that Hive has seen come its way. We've also been able to focus on building some strong, deep system integrator partnerships with folks like Microsoft, Accenture, NetApp, and so on. And this helps us in ensuring that we are able to deliver deployments globally across large consumer marketing enterprises such as yours. The problem that Hive really solves is quite complicated, but very, very core to an enterprise's marketing ROI objectives. As multiple tools and systems exist within these enterprises, and we've seen between 30, 40 different tools to over 600 different tools and channels across companies. When Hive comes in, it has a pretty transformative effect on what happens in these marketing landscapes within these enterprises. Hive comes in to connect across all of these different tools and channels and really delivers a single marketing brain or a system of intelligence in these organizations. When you look under the hood in Hive, what you will see is over 700 plus connectors coming into Hive, a whole AI enrichment layer, which processes all of the different unstructured data coming in, the entire unification engine, which was the first in the world that Hive brought in with the whole hybrid identity building layer, and then the entire orchestration or the journey orchestration capability that Hive brings, where we allow the enterprise to take control across all of the different tools that it has deployed. All of this ensures that we are able to help enterprises truly take control of their customer experiences. We are a privacy by design product. We are certified across ISO 27001, SOC 2 Type 2, and we continue to work with enterprises in their journey of delivering customer data privacy and security. We work with different buyers across the enterprise landscape, which is essentially IT buyer, marketing buyer, or the analytics buyer, and we have been able to deliver specific value add to each of these buyer personas. This is a very, very large market growing rapidly, and projections are that this market is expected to hit over $10 billion in the next 2 years or so. And we are well placed to take leadership in that. The kind of functionality that we've built is detailed, and we are very, very excited about the kind of use cases that we support. My ask of this group is we'd love to present you if you're an enterprise, and if you're an investor, we'd love to talk to you as we go in for our next round of financing next year. Thank you very much.